Setting up balcony garden can come with few challenges like limited space, too much or too little sunlight. If you are feeling low or stressed, try creating your own green corner. Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Vibes. I'm super excited today because I'm finally setting up my balcony space. I had placed few plants here randomly, but today I'm going to arrange everything properly and transform it into beautiful garden. I will show you everything step by step, from plant placement, decorating and finally sitting back to enjoy the view. So stay with me till the end. So I'm talking about this balcony. It's around 10 by 6 feet and it faces west, which means it gets lovely sunlight. The good part, it gets enough bright sunlight and has peaceful vibe and good view. The only challenge is that it's a bit narrow and sometimes windy. But I enjoy working with small spaces. It makes the setup even more cozy, creative and fun. So let's begin the transformation. Actually, it's not completely empty. This beautiful vine has been growing rapidly, so I have kept it safe in this corner. And last week, I got some water lilies which I have temporarily planted in this container, and I don't want to disturb them for now, so they will stay right here. Other than that, the balcony is pretty empty, so let's start from this corner. This part doesn't get strong sunlight, and I also want to cover the AC unit, so I'm placing my big and tall rubber tree here. Next to it is my tall 1 year old jasmine plant. One important tip you need to remember is always place your plants according to their light needs. That's the basic rule to keep them healthy and growing. Balcony gardening is not just about placing pots randomly, it's about understanding the light, using corners wisely, and making the space feel like you. This whole side of the balcony gets full sunlight, perfect for my flowering plants. I am keeping my gardenia, oleander, exora, hibiscus, jasmine, and periwinkle here. This is my Madhukamini plant. I just love its citrusy fragrance and pretty white flowers. And this is jasmine. Its calm, sweet scent fills the space beautifully. In the evening, both these plants make this corner smell amazing. In this corner, I have placed vine called Wild Alamanda. It's super easy to care for and adds instant charm. If you love climbers but want something manageable, this one is perfect. It grows quickly and looks stunning with minimal effort. All of these love the sun, and the more light they get, the better they bloom. If you want flowering plants to burst with colors, sunlight is non negotiable. When my vinca and hibiscus get 5 to 6 hours of direct sun, they bloom non stop. I have always wanted to grow fruits, and with limited space, I chose mini orange tree here. It's compact and low maintenance and grows well on sunny balconies. Just make sure it gets plenty of sunlight and feed it with citrus fertilizer once a month. Do you know flowering plants can also boost our mental health? Studies says flowers help reduce stress, lift your mood and bring sense of calm. Even few minutes around them can make you feel better. Alright, this ground portion is done. Let's not forget the railings. I'm adding here some railing pot holders. They save floor space and make the balcony look green from outside too. I'm adding some cheerful flowers like petunias. They add instant color to the space, and do you know, growing them is not so difficult if you get good sunlight. Then we have colorful angelonia, good option to attract pollinators and birds. And these unique shades of asters look so pretty, and most of these plants are seasonals. Many people think seasonal plants are difficult, but they are actually very easy to grow. You can start them from seeds or buy small plants from the nursery. They need plenty of sunlight, regular watering but not soggy soil, and enough nutrition. So you can use phosphorus rich fertilizer every 15 days since these plants bloom heavily. I have kept 4 to 5 railing planters just for seasonal flowers so I can change them with the seasons. For safety purpose, use lightweight pots and avoid heavy ceramics on railings. So now 80% work is done. Let's add little charm, a cozy sitting corner to relax. This small foldable table fits perfectly here. I will share all the product links, so don't forget to check them. 2 chairs for sitting and this cute little pot on the table. This is your space, let it reflect your personality. For me, I like simple, cozy and green. And we are done. From an empty balcony to colorful garden. Setting a balcony garden can come with few challenges like limited space, too much or too little sunlight, strong winds, or figuring out the right drainage. Sometimes pests show up or plant doesn't do well even after all you care. But don't worry, no one is born with green thumb. Gardening is all about learning by doing. Take every little challenge as opportunity to get creative and enjoy the process. Slowly with experience, you will start to understand what plants suit your space and light conditions. Trust me, your plants will teach you. Just enjoy every step and let your balcony grow along with you. This is my favorite time of the day, golden hour. Just sitting here after a long day, enjoying the greenery, the breeze, and the sunset. It's so peaceful. If you are feeling low or stressed, try creating your own green corner. Plants truly heal the soul. They don't rush, they grow slowly, quietly, and beautifully, and that reminds me to slow down too. Once you set up your balcony garden, regular cleaning becomes super important. Dust, fallen leaves, and water spills can build up quickly. Just quick cleanup every few days keeps everything looking great. So that's it, friends. This is my simple little balcony setup journey from an empty space to blooming green garden. So I added flowering plants, grouped some based on sunlight, added some plants to attract pollinators, and even plant cozy little sunset sitting area. What plant do you think I should add next? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your suggestions. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Garden Vibes for more plant care tips. See you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye and happy gardening.